tropical storm. Melissa, a storm that started quietly in the Atlantic but is now drawing global attention. Meteorologists are calling it a sleeping giant because what began as a harmless swirl of clouds is now growing into a potentially catastrophic hurricane. So what's making Tropical Storm Melissa so dangerous? Let's find out. At the core of every powerful storm lies one thing: heat. And right now, the Atlantic Ocean is boiling with it. Sea surface temperatures near Melissa's path are reaching record highs, close to 30 to 31 degrees Celsius. That's like feeding pure rocket fuel into the storm's engine. The warmer the ocean, the faster the evaporation, and the stronger the storm's rotation becomes. This extreme ocean heat is not normal. It's the result of months of above-average global temperatures and weaker trade winds that failed to mix the waters. All that trapped heat has become energy waiting to be unleashed, and Melissa is tapping into it. But that's not the only problem. Atmospheric conditions are working with the storm, not against it. Normally, upper-level winds, what meteorologists call wind shear, tear storms apart before they get too strong. But Melissa is moving through a corridor of low wind shear. That means its towering thunderclouds can grow vertically, undisturbed, allowing the storm's eye to strengthen rapidly. And that's exactly what's happening. Satellite images show a tightening spiral, increasing symmetry, and deep convection around the eye wall, all early warnings that Melissa could soon transform into a major hurricane. Then comes the size factor. Melissa isn't just strong, it's massive. Its outer rain bands stretch hundreds of kilometers across, meaning this storm can affect multiple coastlines at once. Large storms like Melissa push tremendous amounts of water inland, creating life-threatening storm surges and coastal flooding even before the eye makes landfall. Forecasters are particularly worried about the storm's slow movement. A slow-moving hurricane can dump record-breaking amounts of rain over one region, triggering flash floods and landslides. The slower it moves, the longer it devastates everything beneath it. What makes Melissa so unpredictable and dangerous is its rapid intensification potential. One small shift in ocean temperature or air pressure could transform it from a tropical storm to a Category 4 hurricane within 24 hours. That means little time for preparation, little time for evacuation, and almost no time to react. And now, new data is coming in from hurricane reconnaissance aircraft. Instruments have detected extremely low central pressure, strong lightning bursts inside the eye wall, and rising wind speeds, all classic signs of a storm preparing for explosive growth. Melissa's danger lies not only in its strength, but in its unpredictability. It could veer west and hit heavily populated coastlines, or shift north and bring destructive winds and rain to regions that rarely see hurricanes. Every hour, meteorologists are updating models, and the tone in their voices is changing, from cautious to concerned. Tropical storm. Melissa isn't just another system in the ocean. It's a clear warning, a symbol of what happens when climate patterns, ocean heat, and atmospheric conditions all align perfectly to create nature's most powerful weapon. If Melissa continues to strengthen, it could rewrite hurricane records. And as it grows, one thing becomes certain. We're witnessing not just a storm, but a glimpse of our planet's changing climate in action. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and never underestimate the power of nature. Because when Melissa reaches full force, it won't just be a storm. It will be a storm that defines the season.